Procedure of replacing lower applicator body spare parts. Remove applicator slide. Loosen the two M6 bolts fixing the lower mold part. Remove the lower mold part. Please put it in a place where free of dust. Please place it that the order in which it was removed. Make sure that the model numbers of the parts that need to be replaced and the new parts are the same before replacing them. Assemble in the reverse order of removal. Please clean each part and mounting surface when assembling. Assemble the lower crimping dies A and B with the engraved side facing the front. If you do know the assembly order, please refer to the assembly exploded diagram of each die. In order to position the lower die, each part of the lower die is positioned between the reference surface of the side block and the die block. Slightly tighten the two M6 bolts that fix the lower mold part while pressing it against the top surface. Run your finger along the sides of the parts to make sure they are flush. If the sides are not aligned, the positioning is incorrect. It may cause damage to parts or defective crimping. Fully tighten the tightened M6 bolt. Run your finger along the sides of the parts to make sure they are flush. If the sides are not aligned, the positioning is incorrect. It may cause damage to parts or defective crimping. Attach the applicator to the crimping machine. Manually operate the crimping machine and check that there are no abnormalities such as contact between the upper and lower parts.